Hi there, my name is Lily, and I've chosen to pursue a career in physical therapy. Physical therapists are movement experts who work to improve the health and the quality of life of patients through the implementation of prescribed therapeutic exercises, patient education, and hands-on care. Physical therapists assess their patient's movement and then later develop an individualized treatment plan using a wide variety of different techniques to restore function, reduce pain, and prevent disability. When we think of physical therapy, we may often think of it maybe an athletic trainer working in a sports clinic. However, physical therapists have a much wider scope of practice and work with people of all ages and backgrounds. They can treat individuals ranging from, let's say, a newborn to someone approaching old age. People often visit a physical therapist seeking care if they have suffered from a sprain or fracture, and they may also come in for another common medical issue such as bursitis or tendonitis. If one has undergone surgery or maybe is in rehabilitation from a previous injury, physical therapy treatments are also suitable. Within this profession, you can work in a wide variety of settings. Some of these may include a hospital, school, sports and fitness facilities, home health agencies, outpatient clinics, rehabilitation facilities, and so many more. Now, in terms of coworkers, physical therapists may work alongside doctors, nurses, and physical therapist assistants to ensure the patient has the most effective treatment plan possible for the quickest and easiest recovery. Now, to become a physical therapist, you must earn a DPT degree, also known as a degree in physical therapy. Traditional DPT programs can range from around 30 to 36 months, in addition to the 4 years that were previously spent completing your undergraduate degree. This would end up being around 7 years of college education. There are several majors that are available in undergraduate programs that may benefit them when considering physical therapy as a career path. These majors could possibly be health science, exercise science, biology, or athletic training. Each of these and many others would help students form a strong base and formal understanding of the topics that will be later expanded upon in their graduate studies when they move on to another university. There are many prerequisite courses that are required to pursue a career as a physical therapist, however, they do slightly vary from university to university. However, the typical prerequisites include general chemistry 1 and 2 with labs, general physics with labs, intro to psych, life cycle, abnormal psychology, developmental psychology, statistics, biology, and anatomy and physiology 1 and 2. Now, when applying to PT schools, students will also most likely need observation hours in a physical therapy clinic, hospital, or outpatient center, and the hours may range from around 20 to 100 hours depending on the university. Now, in order to become licensed, students must first graduate from an accredited program and earn their DPT in order to sit for a state licensure exam. Most graduates will take the National Physical Therapy Exam, also known as the NPTE, to evaluate their capabilities. It is a computer-based exam and is administered by the Federation of State Boards of Physical Therapy, so it is highly accessible to prospective qualified students. There are several resources and associations available to undergrad students and graduate students interested in learning more information about how to either work towards a career path in physical therapy or maybe just how to continue their path. The American Physical Therapy Association is a fantastic resource for anyone interested in learning any information about this occupation, as it provides a wide variety of data discussing the steps to pursue a career in this field and offers several resources on the website that may help students find the program that's right for them. Many universities have personalized information websites that are specific to the requirements and different pathways that they offer at their schools. They may also provide students with contact to advisors that might help them create a plan. Now, as I began working on my 5-year career plan for this project, I found that I focused more on my undergrad progression towards this career goal as I'm only a freshman this year. I worked through each year and stated the prerequisite courses that I would need to be required for me to complete my Bachelor of Science degree, and ultimately helped me work towards my toward graduate school and earning my DPT degree, hopefully at the University of Florida. Now, in year 3, which would be my junior year of undergraduate school, I would need to begin applying for an internship in a clinical setting in order to gain a certain number of hours needed to be accepted into a physical therapy program. At the University of Florida, there's a minimum credit hour of 40. So I would need 40 credit hours to be considered, and I would like to complete around 30 hours junior year and then another 30 senior year. I will graduate from USF in May 2026, and I will need to have completed and submitted my physical therapy program application by November 1st to UF. If I am accepted, I will then begin my DPT degree at UF in year 5, and I will work to complete the required coursework and gain more clinical hours to meet their 113-hour graduating requirement. I will then complete my DPT degree and take the state licensure exam with hopes of passing and receiving my physical therapy license.